We have discussed in earlier videos the plain area of India is formed due to the rivers which are coming from the mountains. Rivers have two important parts. One is tributary and one is distributary. Now we discuss about the difference between tributary and distributary. What is the difference between tributary and distributary? When small river, suppose this is the main river, Ganga. When small river joins the main river, this is called the tributary. This is the small river, it joins the main river, this is called the tributary. 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 When the small river joins the main river, the small river is called the tributary of the main river. And tributary increases the water because it joins the main river, it increases the water in the main river. Like I am giving you one example, Yamuna. Yamuna is the tributary of river Ganga. Satluj. Satluj is the tributary of river Indus. Beas. Beas is the tributary of river Indus. River Gandak. Kosi. It is the tributary of river Ganga. Now what is distributary? When it lower course, this is the lower course of the river. When it lower course, due to deposition, heaviness, river divides itself into different parts like this. These are called the distributary. This is the distributary 1, this is the distributary 2, this is the distributary 3, and this is the distributary 4. Distributary decreases the water from the main river. Tributary increases the water in the main river. Distributary decreases the water from the main river. Example, Hooghly is the distributary of river Ganga. And these all distributaries formed the delta. Delta is the feature formed by the rivers at its last stage. It is a triangular shape, like see, this is the triangular shape feature formed by the river at its last stage. Now we discuss what is Doab. What is Doab? The area between the two rivers. Suppose this is the river 1, and this is the river 2. This area is called the Doab. Like we are living in Jalandhar, and Jalandhar is called Doaba. It is called Doaba. Doab. Two words. Do plus ab. Do means two, ab means waters. The area between two water is called the Doab. And why Jalandhar is called Doab? Because it lies between which two rivers? One is Beas and one is Satluj. That is why Jalandhar is called the Dwapa. Dwapa. And what is the meaning of Punjab? Panj Ab. Panj means 5 plus Ab means water. The land of 5 waters. 5 waters means 5 rivers. That is why the name of our state is Punjab. Riverine islands. What are riverine islands? These all terms are related to the rivers. Riverine islands. Islands which are formed in the rivers are called riverine islands. When the deposits is so much that it comes out of the river, it becomes the riverine island. And riverine islands are always formed at the end stage of the river due to the deposition. At the end stage, deposition is too much that it comes out of the river, and the islands are formed here due to the decrease. When rivers goes to its the lower stage, the speed of the river decreases and the deposition come out from the river, and riverine islands are formed due to the gentle slope of the river. Due to the low velocity of the river, deposition come out and riverine islands formed.